Okay, so what is irrational plus irrational? Is it always irrational? Think again. This video will surprise you. Let's first quickly revise what is a rational number. It is a number which can't be defined in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. It is both infinite and non-repeating. Now let's look at the main issue. When people hear irrational plus irrational, they usually assume the result must be irrational because the numbers seem so chaotic. But there's a simple example. If you take an irrational number and add its negative, they sum to zero, defying the usual intuition, while still being completely logical. Some people might think, after seeing this, that this only works when there's perfect cancellation, like plus square root of 2 and minus square root of 2 resulting in 0. But that's not true. It can also apply when the numbers are completely different, which means that the cancellation is not the only way, like pi plus e, which we'll discuss later in the video. We can sum this up by saying that the cancellation rule is a kind of general formula, which is always true. But even completely different irrational numbers can add up to a rational number. Ultimately, it depends on the pair. Now finally, what about pi plus e? Both pi and e are irrational and completely unrelated. So, is there some rational or irrational? The truth is, we don't know. Pause and think, why is it so hard to determine? You see, we do know that out of the following two expressions, pi e or pi plus e, at least one of them must be irrational. But we don't know which one. The reason is that pi and e are both transcendental. Numbers, not roots of any polynomial with integer coefficients. So our usual rules break down when we try to determine whether their sum is rational or irrational. So the key takeaway is that irrational plus irrational can be rational, but proving it is a bit of a hassle. If you enjoyed the video, please like and follow for more content like this.